Nalor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka District Legal Services Authority, West Jingshah Hills District, hak arpun terik ujeliu ahaja penriu, kala Plie, ya ka Legal Care and Support Center, hakash nong Mupyut, kabahap apo ka Amlaram Subdivision. Yakani Center, la Plie do District and Session Judge, Kom Chairman ka District Legal Services Authority, West Jingshah Hills District, UNA Khan, haringkat ka jingidan lang, ka V. Kezu Subdivisional Officer, Civil Amlaram. Nongsakhi Nalor Kiwei. UNA Khan hakajingkaran jong ulaong bakani ka Legal Care and Support Center kalongkum ka jingkieng kapapinyaso apadeng Nongsakhi hagitan nyong kendong bat ki jakat rekam kum ki ying bishar ki pulis bat ki tanat sarkar. Ulay thuru ya ka nongrem balabu ya ka center da kapapenkan mau ya ka wei ka mukot duma kabai dei bat ka wei ka Nongsakhi hakas nong Mupyut kabala arta tien banlit mi hakamat kaying bishar namar ka Jingshah tieng na ka Jingshah Byrngem how way brio.
I have taken the initiative to open up this legal support center because there is a story behind it, and I want to share with you. There was a witness. There was a witness from this village. She had come to the court to give evidence, and this witness said that she is very scared. When the accused is released from jail, he used to threaten everybody, and he had killed his father also. He used to threaten his brothers, sisters, everybody. So that is why she was not coming to the court. She was scared to come to the court and give her evidence because she was scared that if the accused is released on bail, he is going to harm her. So I just felt that it's time that all of you should have access to court, and if you have any complaint, the police station is very far, the court is very far. You don't need to come to the court. This place will be a point which will join you or connect you to the court, to the police station, to all important places. So please, we are not only confined to courts relating any problem. You want your children's. I have also noticed one thing also I have just seen. Lot of children are not going to school. Somebody does not have money to pay fees. Sometimes you have a school, the teachers, they don't come. Sometimes you have somebody sick, you don't have money to take him to Byrngem, to take civil hospital, no ambulance. But this office is multi-purpose office. We can help you in the best possible way. It's up to you to make best use of it. But we'll be coming over and over again and again to take assessment of it. So that's the story behind of this office. Okay? So I believe that this is just a starting point, and then all of you will contribute and make best use of this office. Once again, I'd like to congratulate and thank you, the headman. And I'm very happy that you have a wonderful man as a headman of the village who is a very far-sighted person and who can see the real welfare of the people of the village. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy to hear that the Dlsa is setting up a legal center here. And this comes at a very opportune time, a proper time, because Mupyut is one of the focus villages in the subdivision as well. We noticed that there are a number of issues relating to saturation of schemes, Aadhaar enrollment, and various other government schemes. So this is one area which has been in focus, and setting up a legal center over here, this will be very helpful for the local community, for the local villagers. That's one thing, and this also comes at a very opportune time again, because I had been discussing with the SDPO just last week itself that it is high time to carry out some legal awareness campaign or some legal awareness program, and some program on cyber security and other areas for public interaction and community engagement. So I would like to congratulate the Dlsa and thank the district judge sir as well, particularly for this initiative, and also want to urge the village, the headman, the secretary, and all the the members of the village to make the fullest use of this, because this is a wonderful platform to get access to legal rights, to understand the various rights which are entitled to a citizen. And it's being a little remote also, it's sometimes a little difficult to access facilities at the headquarters, and therefore having a clinic a center over here will be very beneficial for the villagers, not just for Mupyut but for the other adjoining areas and in the subdivision as well. So I want to express my best wishes for the full use and engagement of this center. Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.